A little afternoon rain and some bird munchies. Come on, boo-boo. Come on. He'll come. It's up in the car. I don't know if this is a band from the storm because I don't know where it is. I just know I'm not leaving. Because it's not coming here. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard. Come on over, baby. Get out of the rain. They got something in their feathers where their bodies don't get wet. It's pretty cool. I got done with my errands for the day. Put my clothes in the laundry. Took a shower. A little bird feeding. And then I might go out. And I might not. I don't know. I did get to do a proxy pick, so that was nice. Quick $20 on the way home. So, birdie birds. One snowy egret, one great white egret, and one seagull. Hanging out in the rain. The trees are not really dancing yet. They're just a little bit of wind. See what the plant's moving. It's a nice breeze. It's cooling off. I'm going to check and see if the rain is warm enough. I'm just going to go for it. See y'all later. Happy Wednesday. It's like, I don't know, 4 o'clock Wednesday before the hurricane. Tampa Bay, Florida. Yay!